So, you're looking to turn your love for cheesecakes and desserts into a passive income stream? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the exciting world of refrigerated vending machines stocked with delicious treats in mason jars. First things first, research and choose your dessert products wisely. Think about what will attract your target market and keep them coming back for more. Once you've nailed down your offerings, it's time to invest in a refrigerated vending machine. Make sure it's reliable and can maintain the freshness of your goodies. Next, securing locations is key. Look for high-traffic areas where your target customers frequent. Think outside the box and get creative with your placements. Now, branding and marketing are crucial. Create a catchy logo and design that will make your vending machine stand out. Utilize social media and local advertising to spread the word. Stocking and maintaining the machine should be part of your routine. Keep track of inventory and ensure everything is fresh and ready to go. Monitoring sales is essential to understand what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to adjust your offerings based on customer feedback. As your business grows, consider expanding to new locations and introducing new flavors to keep things exciting. Remember, consistency is key in this game. Stay on top of trends and always strive to deliver top-notch customer service. In conclusion, running a refrigerated vending machine for cheesecakes and desserts in mason jars can be a lucrative passive income opportunity if done right. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, follow these steps, and watch your business soar. Like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more tips and tricks. Cheers to sweet success.